Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine. The last class I completed equals and equals ignore case methods. Now in this class also few methods I will complete. So the first method, note down, compare to method. Compare to T capital letter, remaining are lowercase letters. So first point as usual, it is one of the string method. It is one of the string method. This method is used to compare the given two strings lexicographically. It is used to compare the given two strings lexicographically. So that means each of the character in the given two strings are converts into Unicode form for comparison purpose. Here in comparative method, three cases are there. If the given two strings are equal, it prints 0. That is the first case. If the first string is greater than the second string, then it prints positive value. That is second case. Third case, if the first string is less than the second string, then it prints negative value. So its return type is integer. So note down first point. If the given two strings are equal, then it prints 0. Second case, if the first string is greater than second string, then it prints positive value. If the first string is less than second string, then it prints negative value. So these are the three cases are there. So next one is a return type. Its return type is an integer. So comparative method is used to compare the given two strings lexicographically. If the two strings are equal, it prints 0. That is the first case. If the first string is greater than second string, then it prints positive value. If the first string is less than second string, then it prints negative value. Its return type is integer. Now example program, open your BlueJ screen, open your BlueJ software. So take the new class, compare to example. So take the new class. Compare to example, main method. Take any two strings, str1, str2 are two variables, return type integer. So str1 is equal to, for example, any two fruits names, apple. str2 also take the same string, case 1, apple. I is equal to str1 dot compare to str2. Either you compare with str2 with str1 or str1 with str2. So system dot out dot println I. Here they will ask write short notes on comparative method, or what is the return type of comparative method, or the code they will give what is the output of the above code. Any three ways. So close main, close class, compare. No syntax error. So here you are comparing the given two strings. The two strings you are choosing as apple and apple only. So both the strings are equal means first case it prints 0. See the output once. 0. So the second case, if the first string is greater than second string, it prints positive value. So actually every character in the given string converts into Unicode form for comparison purpose. Here ASCII value of small a is 97. For example, here capital A. Capital A ASCII value is what? 65. Small a ASCII value begins from 97 to 122. Capital A to Z 65 to 90. So first string is greater than second string. Remaining all the letters are same. First character is what? Apple, small letter. That is begins with 97. Here capital A. So first string is greater than second string. It will print positive value. 97 minus 65. That means 32 you will get. Compile. This is the second case. For example, if the first string is less than second string, that means here capital A, here small a. Compare. So 65 here, 97. Compare. So minus value you will get, negative value. That is minus 32. So these are the three cases. Not only this particular word, any word you have to choose. For example, here hello, H capital letter. Here welcome. So the first string is a hello. Second string is welcome. So first string is less than second string. So you will get negative value. That is the ASCII value of capital H. 97 onwards it will begin. 97 plus 8. That is 104. Here W value. That means, 65 onwards. 65 to 90, capital A to Z. 65 plus 8, 73. That is 72. And small w. 97 plus x 23. That is 119. So 72 minus 119. Compare. So minus 47, negative value. Like that, any two strings to compare the given two strings, we are using compare to method lexicographically. It converts into first the given characters in Unicode form. So one more method is there. That is one more type is there. Once observe. First string is hello. It is choosing by you hello or anything. Second string is empty. In such cases, here how many characters are there? 5 characters are there. So output is 5. First string is hello. Second string is empty. You are comparing str1 with str2. In such cases, you will get a positive value. So how many characters? 5 characters. So your output is 5. Compile. No errors. Output see 5. For example, first string is empty. First string is empty. Second string is welcome. So how many characters are there? 3 plus 4, 7 characters are there. So negative value you will get. Output is minus 7. Observe the output. So this is a compare to method in Java programming. Either they will ask write short notes on compare to method, or what is the return type of the compare to method, and then what is the output of the above code, like that they will ask. So this is one important method in strings. So the next method is concatenation method. Second one, concat method. So this is also one of the method in strings. It is one of the string method. So this method is used to concatenation of the given strings. So this method is used to concatenation of the given strings, or to join one or more strings. It is used to join one or more strings. That means appending. At the end of the string, it is going to add. If you take one string is going to add at the end of the another string. So its return type is string only. To join the multiple strings, we are using concat method in Java. So example program, open your BlueJ system, take the new class, concat example. Oh, this is also one method in strings. So take the new class, public class, concat example, main method, either short notes on concat method or return type of concat method, or what is the output of the above code. Join the one or more strings. This method is useful. str2, return type also string only. So str1 is equal to, for example, any two fruits, for example, apple. str2 is equal to banana. str3 is equal to str1 dot concat str2. Either you have to concat with str2 with str1 or 1 with str2. System.out.println str3. So what is the output of the above code without any spaces? Apple and banana it will print. You are concatenating here str1 with str2. So output of the above code is apple and banana. Without any spaces it will print. If you give the space there, then space it will print. See the output. So apple, banana. So multiple strings if you are choosing, like one more variable str4. Here str3 is equal to one more fruit choose, that is mango. Now str4 is equal to str1 dot concat with str2 and str3 also. Then you will get the output here. In this case, see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 str1, str2, str3, str4 variables of string type. str1 apple, str2 banana, str3 mango. str4 is equal to str1 dot concat str2 dot concat str3. So you are printing what? str4. So the output is apple, banana, mango. Without any spaces you will get. If you give the space there, then space also it will print. So this is one more type, one more method in strings. So one more method is, today I'll complete one more method, that is trim function. That is a trim function. See trim method. So first point as usual, it is one of the string method. This method is used to eliminate the white spaces before and after the string. It is used to remove the white spaces before and after the string. That is a double quotes, before and after the double quotes. So return type is a string only. Return type string, remember. To remove the white spaces after double quotes, before and after double quotes. To remove the white spaces, we are using trim method in Java programming. So the example program, see in your BlueJ system, open your BlueJ software, take the new class here trim example. So take the new class, public class trim example, main method, it removes the white spaces before and after the double quotes in a given string. So string str1 comma str2. str1 is equal to choose any string. For example, welcome. Before welcome space is there. After welcome also space is there. str2 is equal to str1 dot trim. System.out.println. What you have to print? str2. Close main, close class, compare. So here space is there on white space after the double quotes. Before the double quotes also one space is there. So these spaces, white spaces, it will eliminate. So see the output. See spaces, white spaces, it is removing. After removing new string, it will print. So this is one method in strings. So the next class I will continue with the remaining methods. Thank you.